Greetings everyone, this is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial I want to give you an idea of how the Act Sidebar works in Act Premium Cloud and in the newest version of Act. So if you want to see how this works, I received an email solicitation this morning from a company called Logitech. Now over here on the right hand side, I want you to observe that this is the Act Sidebar. And what the Act Sidebar will do is find if this email address, which is right here, is already in my Act database, and it will match it up with the appropriate contact. So if it's already in the database, it will show me the contact info. So because this email address is not in my database, I'm going to use this as an example to show you how I can add this contact. Let's assume it's a contact, a real person, to my database. So on the right hand side, I'm going to click on Yes, Add Now. This box pops up, and immediately what it did is it took the email address right here and put it right in. It took the company name and also put it in. And it took the company name, I'm pretty sure, from the from line here. But now, when we do this, we can now work within this to update this. So what I can do is I can say, well, actually it took the contact and made it Logitech. So I'm going to take this, cut it out of there. I'm going to put it up in the company. And I'm going to fill in some information just by hitting the tab key. So I'm going to type in Fred Flintstone. Right there. And I'm going to go through and just type in some information. Now, okay, so as you see, I have filled in some information here, but I want to jump right here to the ID status. I'm a big fan of using the ID status to identify people. When I click on these three dots, now I can see the ID statuses that I use and choose one of them. I'm going to click cancel because I already chose new lead. And at this point, I'm going to click on create contact. Now that I've added Fred Flintstone to the information, you'll see over here on the right hand side, I have all my information. Now, I'm going to go over to Act Premium Cloud and look up Fred Flintstone in Act Premium Cloud. So let me do this. I'm going to go down and bring up my Act Premium Cloud account. I'm going to come up and go look up last name. I'm going to type in Flintstone. I'll just do that amount. And there it is. Fred Flintstone, 123 Bedrock Lane, Stone Rock, Mass. And that's all the information that I just entered from the tool called the Outlook Sidebar for Act. Okay, everyone, thank you so very much. You have a great day. Be well. Bye now.